To enhance your experience with PUBG and ensure a smooth installation process, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for PUBG. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space to avoid installation issues. Step 2. Update your operating system. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve compatibility with the game, which may resolve installation loops. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus software or firewall settings that may interfere with the installation process. Sometimes, security programs mistakenly block game files, causing installation loops. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your system's temporary files to free up space and remove any corrupted files that may be causing issues. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source to avoid any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully increase the chances of a smooth installation for PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.